Hey everyone, it's Mandy.mak. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of Morphe. Okay, before we get into it, if you're new, hi, I'm Mandy. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I make unboxing videos, hauls, makeup tutorials, and coming soon, Food Fridays. That's enough of me talking. Let's get into the video. Morphe. Okay, so I live in Canada, Toronto, Canada. We just opened, well, not we, Morphe just opened their very first store in Canada. And it's in Mississauga in Square One. And the other day I was going to Niagara and I was like, I need to go to Morphe. And I did. And I kind of regret it, but then I don't because it's amazing, but I'm broke. So anyways, today's video is going to be an unboxing of what I bought. Sephora in Canada just started selling Morphe as well. So at first I was like, oh, okay, cool, Morphe's there. But now we have our own store. And of course, the first product I got, the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This setting spray is amazing. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's a continuous spray. It's so soft, it's so lightweight. You know what? 20 bucks Canadian, you can't go wrong. I just bought a Smashbox one and it's good, but it's a spritz bottle. You don't know. Do this, please, I'm telling you. The next thing I got, the Morphe Contour and Highlight Sponge. The reason I actually got this, I have a bunch of sponges, Beauty Blender, Real Techniques, etc. But the reason I got this is because I was recently watching Tati's video and she highly recommended it. It has that curved edge that you can use to just like cut your cheeks, or you can use it inside, but it also has the pointy edge, so you can use it to get your concealer. So I'm excited to try it. That was $9.50 Canadian. Then I got an eyebrow pencil. Now, I got it in the shade Harper. It's like a blue. I have blue eyes, so when I want to do like a simple look, I'll wear no foundation, a little bit of concealer, some mascara, and then a blue eyeliner. I'm telling you, your eyes just so I get a blue eyeliner and I just put it underneath. So simple, and yet it makes your eyes pop. And I felt the tester on this one and it just felt so gel-like. I mean, it was $4.50. You can't really go wrong. There's the I'm super excited to try it. It's just a pencil, but the amount of pigment that came off and the fact that it was $4.50, that's like, I think like Rimmel, London, and L'Oreal are more expensive than that. And then they had lashes. I picked up Venice. I can't wait. Now, I naturally have very long lashes, but they're not thick enough for my liking. So I always like to make sure my falsies are thickness in opposed to length. Volume, I prefer volume. These were $4. I mean, really, like, do you see a pattern here? It's called cheap. And then we have, are you ready? Bam! It is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip gloss. Look, I'm tripping over my words because when, like, I need a minute. Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick formulas are the best formulas created. The best, okay? I mean, like, I literally can't get over how pigmented they are, how long they stay on. You could pretty much eat, drink, or do anything. They're not gonna come off. Oil might take them off. Salad dressing. You're not gonna guzzle a cup of oil. These are amazing. I ordered online. I got like 5 of them online last year. I had to pay customs, I had to pay shipping, then I had to pay customs again. And it's just, it ended up not, it's worth it, but it's not. These are in Mississauga, square one, okay? So my Canadians, Torontonians, Ontarians, Jeffree Star. Now, I got the shade Poinsettia. And I mean his packaging, like I am a sucker for packaging. Like, I'm sorry. And everything smells amazing. So this is Poinsettia. Ooh, it's pretty. Like, I just can't. And the last product I got from there was this eyebrow kit. So it's from Morphe. It's Arch Obsessions, it's called. And it comes with a micro brow pencil, brow cream, brow setting gel, highlighter stick, and an angled liner spoolie brush. 24 bucks. And it comes with all of that. I'm gonna open it. Wow. So you get an angled brush. I don't know if you can see that. Angled brush, spoolie. You get a brow pomade. You get a brow pomade. You get a pencil, spoolie, and an actual like pencil. You get a highlighter stick. And then you get like a brow gel, which is amazing because these brow gels are so good. Just to keep your brows in place. $24. Like, I'm sorry, $24? Okay. So there's that. And yeah, that was it for my Morphe unboxing, unbagging, haul, whatnot. I am just so excited that we can actually get Morphe here in Canada. No shipping fees, no customs. Like, Morphe is so amazing and so affordable. I'm just so thankful. So I will, and I live in Toronto. I'm still about half an hour, 40 minutes. I will drive. I will drive, like, no questions asked. I will definitely do a video on those products. I'm gonna use the brow products next time. If you want me to do like my natural look that I wear every day to work, let me know and I can do a video on that. But yeah, that's it. That's my Morphe unboxing. Again, thank you so much for being here. I'm hoping that I'll catch you in the next one. But until next time, smile, remember you're beautiful, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.